Replacements for switch statement in Python. I want to write a function in Python that returns different fixed values based on the value of an input index. In other languages I would use a switch or case statement, but Python does not appear to have a switch statement. What are the recommended Python solutions in this scenario?
Python 3.10, 2021, introduced the match case statement, which provides a first-class implementation of a switch for Python. For example, the match case statement is considerably more powerful than the simple example. If you need to support Python less than or equal to 3.9, use a dictionary instead.
If you'd like defaults, you could use the dictionary getKey, default, function.
I've always liked doing it this way. From here.
In addition to the dictionary methods, which I really like, DTW, you can also use if elif else to obtain the switch/case/default functionality. This of course is not identical to switch/case, you cannot have fall through as easily as leaving off the break statement, but you can have a more complicated test. Its formatting is nicer than a series of nested ifs, even though functionally that's what it is closer to.
Python is greater than or equal to 3.10. Wow, Python 3.10 plus now has a match/case syntax, which is like switch/case and more. PEP 634, structural pattern matching. Selected features of match/case. 1. Match values. Matching values is similar to a simple switch/case in another language. Two. Match structural patterns. Three. Capture variables. Parse an object, saving it as variables. Capture variables can be useful when parsing data, such as JSON or HTML, that may come in one of a number of different patterns. Capture variables is a feature, but it also means that you need to use dotted constants, x, color.red, only. Otherwise, the constant will be treated as a capture variable and overwritten. More sample usage. Python is lower than or equal to 3.9. My favorite Python recipe for switch/case was short and simple for simple scenarios. Compare to 11 plus lines of C code. You can even assign multiple variables by using tuples.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.